Take it easy. Someone will be home sooner or later. Bye.
Please! Please, someone, let me out! Please, let me out, someone! Oh!
Didn't they give you any idea what time the wedding was?
No.
It could be over.
Yeah, well, I doubt if the honeymoon will have had time to take place. That's the main worry, isn't it?
What's the matter?
Oh, damn thing's always sticking.
Dr. Robertson's very good at his job. He really knows what he's doing.
Well, I've never suggested otherwise. Irene, look, you've been beating around the bush for the last quarter of an hour. Is there something you have to tell me?
There's no easy way of saying this, Fiona.
Then just say it.
You have cancer.
Doris.
I waited till Rod drove off. I have to talk to you.
I'm sorry, I don't think we have anything to say. Oh, just a minute.
It's all right, darling. Mummy's here. Please.
Are you going to marry Rod?
I don't know. I'm thinking about it.
Look, I really am sorry, Doris, but I don't think it has anything more to do with you. Now, I hate to be rude, but I've got a lot to do today.
That's not fair. You've got your baby and you'll have Rod. I've got no one.
I know how upset you must be about losing your job, and I... Doris! Open the door! Doris, what are you doing?
What's going on?
It's Doris, Rod's housekeeper. She's locked me up and she's in there with a baby. Oh, my God! Why is it doing that?
We're out of fuel.
Well, isn't there a reserve tank or something?
I switched to that 10 minutes ago. We're down to 0, lady.
Well, loan some.
Have you looked down there? There's nothing but trees. Plane will be ripped to pieces.
Well, there must be something.
Don't worry, I'm looking.
What are we going to do?
Pray. Mayday! 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 Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec! Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec!
Who gives this woman to this man?
I do.
Then I now pronounce you man and wife. Now kiss the bride.
Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec! Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec! Will attempt a forced landing 20 kilometers northeast of Rogan. Mayday! 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 Brace yourself, sweetheart. We're gonna hit.
Love can happen now when it happened then.
Wondered at the time what love really meant.
When it came from nowhere. When it came, it altered my life. Sons and daughters, love and laughter, tears and sadness.